Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to QuickBooks Online. Using the QuickBooks bank feed to automatically import your transaction data instead of entering it manually is one of the most powerful features of using QuickBooks and will help you save time and reduce data entry errors in your bookkeeping. Before we start, I'm Nick Kobos. I'm an EA and QuickBooks Pro Advisor and founder of Saw Accounting Solutions, an accounting firm that's helped dozens of clients with their bookkeeping, taxes, and business finances. All right, let's jump right into it. So here we are on the QuickBooks Online homepage, and to navigate to the bank feeds, I'm going to pop out my left-hand side menu right there, and I'm going to navigate down to Transactions and Bank Transactions. From here, QuickBooks is going to pop up this Link Your Bank button because I haven't linked a bank account yet. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So on this page, we're just going to look up the bank account that we want to link. And at this point, we should take a quick second to kind of talk about what bank accounts you want to link to QuickBooks Online and which ones you don't. So as a general rule, you don't want to link any personal bank accounts to QuickBooks Online, right? So a lot of the times we'll see folks link, they'll have like 3 or 4 business transactions on their personal credit card, and they'll think, oh, let me just go ahead and link that to QuickBooks Online. But then what happens is all your personal transactions get dumped into QuickBooks. And so as much as possible, we only want to link bank accounts or credit cards that are purely for business purposes into QuickBooks. So with that kind of said, we'll go ahead today. We're going to link a Capital One account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Capital One, and we're going to hit sign into account, and I'm just going to log in using our online banking credentials the same way we would on our bank's website. And that's going to log me in to our bank account and go ahead and link it into QuickBooks. And so as that's loading, the next thing QuickBooks is going to do is it's going to ask me how far back I want to import transactions for. Generally, as a rule of thumb, we want to import transactions as far back into the past as possible, just so that we have them all in QuickBooks and we don't have to import previous transactions manually. And so here we go. I'm just going to hit continue and give Inuit permission to access my bank info. I'm going to say, yep, they can see my bank account numbers. And so here, QuickBooks is going to ask you what accounts you want to share data from. So in this case, all of these are business accounts. But let's say you have some personal accounts with that bank as well. You want to make sure that those are not selected, so you can just unselect them right there. So I'm just going to hit continue, and yep, authorize. So I'll authorize the link. And there it goes. And so now it's asking me to confirm the bank account types. And so these are all savings accounts, savings, checking. That's all correct. If it was wrong, we would just come in here and change the type of account, make sure we've got the right account selected. And then this is that question I mentioned about how far back we want to import transactions. And so how far back the bank will allow you to bring transactions in for really depends on the bank. But again, as a general rule of thumb, we want to go as far back into the past as possible. So I'll just hit January 1st of 2024, and then we'll hit connect. And there it goes. So it's bringing in all my transactions. And yeah, this is just a little pop-up. We're going to skip this. So now we've linked our bank account. And so now all we need to do is navigate back to our bank feed, and we should be able to see all our bank transactions automatically imported. And so I'm just going to click on bank transactions again, load the bank feed page. And so here we can see, so now we've got all of our newly linked accounts listed here across the top. We can change the order that we see them in by clicking here and reordering them. And then you can see the bank feed for each one. And so these transactions, boom, 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 are all the transactions that QuickBooks has imported for each bank account. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Linking your bank account to QuickBooks takes all of 5 minutes and will drastically improve the efficiency and accuracy of your bookkeeping. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop us a like or leave us a comment letting us know what other bookkeeping or tax topic you'd like to see us make a future video on. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tutorials or tips that'll help you save time and money on your bookkeeping and taxes. Thanks for your time and attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.